If we break down the words homeopathy and allopathy, we can see the meaning right in there. Homoios, which is similar, pathos, which is disease or pathology. So homeopathy was the third thing that Hahnemann talked about, which is the treatment by the law of similars, using a similar medicine to treat disease. Allopathy, allos, means different or opposite, using the opposite to treat dis-ease. Obvious example here is if someone has inflammation, use an anti-inflammatory. As Hahnemann mentioned, if someone has constipation, use a laxative, a purgative agent, okay? So homeopathy is the use of similars as medicine. Allopathy is the use of opposites as medicine. So homeopathy, if you take away nothing else from this presentation, homeopathy boils down to the principle that like cures like. Like cures like. Similia similibus curantar. Like cures like. I want to point out also, even in conventional medicine, we see the principle of homeopathy at play. Let's talk about Ritalin. What is Ritalin used for? It's used for attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Okay, what is Ritalin? Ritalin is a stimulant, a nervous system stimulant. So when we use a medicine that is a stimulant, that is treating a disease that is already, kind of a hyperactive, stimulated dis-ease, we're using a stimulant to treat someone who's already stimulated. That, by pure definition, is homeopathy. That is, by pure definition, homeopathy. So actually, when we look at Ritalin in the treatment of ADHD in 21st century Western world convention medicine, the treatment principle there is actually by the law of similars. It's actually by homeopathy. Now, what you might be saying there is, well, isn't homeopathy like really diluted? Well, yes, that's true for many of our homeopathic remedies, which we will get into. But homeopathy, by definition, is not just about having something really dilute. Homeopathy, by definition, is using the law of similars. If someone is already stimulated, give stimulant that can elicit a healing effect. Okay, so Ritalin, by definition, is actually homeopathy. Whew. Isn't that so fascinating?